We got some 22 Rimfire exploding targets. Try them out on that fruit. Oh, you got him killed.
So apparently, kind of a dead.
Let's take out some evil teddy bears. If it works.
Third one's going to be too hard to get. Let's take a look at the deer we did already. Oh god. He's wounded. Yeah, but he's got
Oh, nastiness.
I'd say he's done. One more.
See if I can get it.
Show. Try this again.
Told you they were evil.
It looks like that guy barely made it out alive. He might be missing a limb or something. He should be good.
Alright, there's a few more.
Teddy bear. Yes! Alright, so we're still trying to go for this watermelon.
Okay, so Rimfire exploding targets from Star Targets. Give you 10 little plastic discs, you mix the powder, fill the discs, and then shoot them. I like them. They had more punch than I expected from the little discs. There was a couple of duds, but I just kind of winged them when I was shooting them, so that might have been why they didn't go off. But other than that, much bigger bang out of a little disc than I was expecting, so I like them.